Czy masz odwagę powiedzieć żonom, dziś stałem tam, gdzie stało domo?
Hi guys and welcome, and today we are in the really great Piri Kebab and we will test dinner kebab. Okay, we have tissue, we have plastic fork, plastic, not the wood. That's nice. Spicy. Standard version, not the XL. Piri from Stettin. Spicy sauce, chicken, last time I've tried beef. It's good. Mm. Mm. Wow. Absolutely the best kebab I've ever eaten. Piri kebab in Stettin, Poland. And they have pita, and they have dinner kebab in a bread. And you can choose 3 types of meat. They have chicken, they have beef mixed with lamb, or there's a mixed chicken, lamb and beef. So you can choose between mixed beef lamb, solo chicken, or mix all together. Beef with lamb and chicken. Spicy sauce, ketchup, curry sauce. You can choose what you want, and you could add add-ons like jalapeno, additional cheese, French fries. You can have everything, and you have 3 types of size: standard, XL and double XL. I've taken dinner kebab in a bread, a standard with a chicken and spicy sauce. So standard version in a bread, you can choose XL or bigger. Spicy chicken, really great, and they have, you can choose what type of bread you want, pita or standard bread like the dinner kebab. You can choose type of meat. You can choose type of sauce, add-ons, so they have everything, and the quality is the best. Absolutely the best. As you know, before the best was New Kebab at Hoja Street. Hoja it was tradition with what was it, Andrewitstyle. It was really good, but now is the new owner and it's shit happens. But there's a Piri at April 26th Street. So go to April 26th Street. Just it's very close to a Turn Bahnhof. So go there. And at April 26th Street you will find Piri Kebab, and it's absolutely wonderful. It's spicy, it's fresh, and absolutely great chicken. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna catch you later.
Ty co kobiety chciałbyś zniewolić, pozbawić chciałbyś niewolnej woli. Rządzie biskupie, do was to mówię, wstydzi się was dziś kraj. Nie płaczcie siostry, ducha nie traćcie, uwierzcie w naszą wygraną w walce. Uwierzcie w to, że już niedługo piękniejszy będzie kraj.